Good evening, guys. Right, so day number 2 of servicing the Africa Twin. I'm gonna go check out the leak. I'll take the airbox off to get to it. I think it's just going to be a little bit easier to get to. Well, let's see how it goes. Thereafter I will do the oil, change into the new oil, and we carry on. Right, let's do this. Okay. So I'm going to take off this one. Remember, no rush, just taking it easy. Okay, let's take off that one there. Okay, so that's that one off. That's the spark plug, let's take that off. Okay, I always find it a bit easier to actually just undo these clips. And just kind of slot them in somewhere else. Alright, so 2 bolts and then we should be good. Should be a 9. So 2 screws. Undo those. Okay, and then it's just a bit of a wiggle and a jiggle. Okay, so that's the inside. I have previously just taken it off, but I thought I'd just show you guys how to do it. I've got the cover lying over there, but we'll put this back and carry on. So that's the tappet cover. The seal sits in here, and then you can see how it goes. Alright guys, so there's the old seal. It is a bit hard and mucky, and there's a whole lot of dirt on here. So I've taken it off in the hopes that it would clean the oil leak. So let's put the cover back on. So again, just taking it easy. Just make sure that the seal fits nicely in place again, and that you've got it all in the spot and it doesn't jiggle around. Okay, so the 2 screws go back in. Okay. Don't want to go too tight, because you also don't want to strip and over tighten and then strip the nuts and the bolts. Alright, so there you go. that's it. We put that back. That's back. That wire's back in that spot. Welcome back, guys. Session 2. I've done the exchange of the seal and the gas tappet cover. There is loads of muck and grime in here, so I'm glad I've taken that out. I've put a new one in, and we'll take it from there. Now I'm going to be going to the oil change, and then the air filter. And then once that's done, I'll clean the chain, lube it, and off we go again. Okay, so air filter still looks good. We'll leave that on there for now. I won't change that. Alright guys, so the oil change is very simple. In a bucket, I'll put it on the side stand. I'm going to put a bucket under the seal, the oil nut here. I'll undo it. It takes a 17 spanner. The reason why I put it on the side is because then all the oil comes out. Always make sure that when you do this, you also undo the dipstick. Leave it open. Don't have to undo it completely, but just leave it open so that it has air to breathe from. And it doesn't give you that gluk effect. Okay, so that's open. Got my 17 spanner. And don't drop the nut in the oil. Not done yet. Right. Like most of the oil is out. And we'll put it back. Put the nut back together again. That's in. Okay, just hand that, guys. Never overdo it. Then you could strip that out. Alright. Alright guys, so I've taken off the cover to the front sprocket. As you can see, all the muck and the grime, so I'm going to get that clean and then I'll carry on. I'll show you, that's what the cover looks like. Before shot, and we shall do the after shot. Alright guys, so there, clean product, better than what it was before, with all the muck and the grime. Just want to show you this part as well, all nice and clean. Right, so let's take it back to the garage and take off the oil filter. Right guys, so oil filter is out. Oil is out. The only thing I've got to do now is put the new one in, the new oil filter in, and oil in, and then we are ready to roll. So it all went well, it all went according to plan, so we carry on. Okay guys, oil, we're going to add some new ones in. I've cleaned off the reservoir, dipstick, put that one side. Normally it takes about 4 liters of oil. I am using 20W40. So let's go for it. Alright guys, so I've put in 3 liters of the oil. I'm going to leave a liter in. I'm going to switch the bike on just to get the oil filter full, and then I will add the rest of the oil and see what the oil levels are like. Alright guys, so the battery's back in. Next step, fuel tank on, and we connect fuel, and we then take it from there. And hopefully she runs after this, but I'm sure she will. It is an Africa Twin. Okay guys, let's do this. On. That's off. So I've connected the fuel line up. Just always put nuts in where they go out. She should just slot back into place. So nice Bosch tool. Again, impact wrench. Don't overdo it too much. That's it. Tanks on. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Clearly it doesn't work.
Whoa, fuck.